If this is your vibe but you somehow end up looking like discounted Barbie, then keep watching how we're gonna go from this to... So rule number 1, if your eyes are bold, do not go heavy on lips, because that's how you end up looking like discounted Barbie. We are doing primer so the makeup stays smooth and doesn't start separating after 2 hours. The goal is to look expensive, not discounted. The one I'm using is from Inside Cosmetics and I actually like it. I almost always use Mars or Inside primers because they are affordable and honestly do the job really well. Over time I've noticed I'm gravitating way more towards skin tint than foundations, and honestly I love it. They've been working way better for my skin. I literally just blend them out with my fingers, blend so beautifully and gives the prettiest skin-like finish. By the way, are you a foundation girly or a skin tint girly? Let me know. Okay, concealer. This is where a discounted Barbie turns into a cake factory, and we are not doing that. This concealer from Simply Nam doesn't cake at all. This is a hydrating concealer, so best if you have dry under eyes. You don't really need a sponge or anything. I just blend it out with my fingers and it gives such a pretty skin-like finish. Now I'm gonna use a lighter shade just to brighten up my under eyes a little. I'm using the same concealer just in a lighter shade, and I'm also applying it on my lid so we get a clean, even canvas for eye makeup. I'm spot correcting my pimple with a green shade so it cancels out the redness, and then I'm gonna spot conceal, setting it with my Charlotte Tilbury powder to make it matte because we do not want a pimple shining and saying hi to everyone. Also gonna set my under eyes with the same powder. It makes your skin look really smooth and airbrushed. Now brush your brows up and grab some brow gel. I'm using the She Glam one. I really want the front part of my brows to stay lifted and kind of spiked up. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm going to use this kajal from Forever 52. This comes in a pack of 2, so it's literally double the value for an everyday essential. We're gonna tight line both our upper and lower waterline. Look at that one stroke payoff. I love it. Watch with all your attention because this is the essence of this makeup. I'm also tight lining my inner corners and upper waterline. You really need something that doesn't smudge or disappear after some time, and this is the one that I prefer. I'm applying some on my lids as well because we're gonna smudge it out. I love the deep matte finish this kajal gives. Also guys, your eyes are a sensitive part of your body, so don't compromise just to save a few hundred rupees. The one I'm using is ophthalmologically tested, so it's safe. I'm gonna intensify it a little more on the outer corner so my eyes look more doughy and rounder and cute. Mascara time. This lash curler has literally lasted me almost a whole year now. I literally use it almost every day because I cannot do my mascara without curling my lashes first. And I'm gonna do 2 coats of Sky High mascara, both on upper and lower lashes. Then I'm creating a soft little wing situation and smudging it out with a thin brush. And look at how expensive it already looks. Etude brow pencil, and I'm gonna fill my brows. Blend everything so you don't have any harsh lines. Gonna spike up few brow hairs with the gel. Contouring my nose, do it however you like. We're gonna highlight but not gonna use shimmery highlighter. Use a light matte shade to highlight your inner corners. Now take any peach blush and place it exactly where I'm placing mine. I got mine from Unleasha. Also take the blush across your nose bridge, blend it inwards toward the start of your cheeks, and add a little around the outer corner of your eyes too. We need freckles for this look. Using my Mars Cinnamon Roll lip liner, the OG one. Tap random dots on nose and cheeks and blend it out. Perfect. Wipe off your prep lips because expensive characters don't do chapped lips. Anyways, we're gonna go for peachy, mauvey, grey lips for this look. Now discounted Barbie, here's grey and panics. Don't panic. Grey helps make the shade a bit more cool tone, and that's what we're aiming for. So first, use any pinky nude shade. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, and now I'm gonna use a peachy brown shade to add warmth and a little peachiness to my lips. Gonna smudge it out with fingers. To add that mauvey tone, I'm using this mauve lipstick from Ruby's Organics. To add the cool tone, I'm using my contour powder. I'm just gonna dab it over my lips. Also gonna dust that powder slightly over my lip line so it gives that naturally contoured lip effect. Some more mauvey tone on center, and look at how pretty this combo looks already. Gonna let my hair down because we're done with the makeup, and this is how it turned out.
go